Welcome to the Advanced Guide to Debank Charts, a powerful tool for analyzing and tracking cryptocurrency portfolios. Debank is a popular platform that provides detailed insights and visualizations to help users make informed investment decisions. To get started, it is essential to understand the key components of Debank charts. The platform offers a range of charts and graphs that display various metrics, including portfolio value, net worth, and asset allocation. Users can customize the charts to suit their needs, selecting the specific data points and timeframes they want to analyze. One of the most critical features of Debank charts is the ability to track portfolio performance over time. Users can view their portfolio's historical data, including gains and losses, to identify trends and patterns. This information can be used to adjust investment strategies and make more informed decisions. In addition to portfolio tracking, Debank charts also provide detailed information on individual assets. Users can view the performance of specific cryptocurrencies, including their current price, market capitalization, and trading volume. This data can be used to identify opportunities and risks, and to make more informed investment decisions. To use Debank charts effectively, it is crucial to understand the different types of charts and graphs available. The platform offers a range of visualization tools, including line charts, bar charts, and pie charts. Each type of chart provides unique insights and perspectives, and users should select the one that best suits their needs. Best practices for using Debank charts include regularly monitoring portfolio performance, adjusting investment strategies based on historical data, and diversifying portfolios to minimize risk. Users should also stay up to date with market trends and news, using this information to inform their investment decisions. By following these steps and using Debank charts effectively, users can gain a deeper understanding of their cryptocurrency portfolios and make more informed investment decisions. Debank charts provide a powerful tool for analyzing and tracking portfolio performance, and can be a valuable resource for anyone looking to navigate the complex world of cryptocurrency investing.